Right. Akshay Kutumbale asks, if someone starts investing late at the age of 35, how can they make up for the lost time? Also, he would want to retire and get the corpus ready by the time he turns 55.
It's never too late.
Yeah.
Or start when you can, and you still have 20 years. If you plan to retire by at 55 or 60, then you still have many years, 25 years ahead of to invest, and which is good enough time period to for equity to fructify. Not only that, for equities to work, it is not that you retire and then you have to turn all your investments into fixed income. You can well retire and it can remain there, and that will start generating if the income from your equity portfolio of a nominal kind is good enough for you to sustain, then even that's a great news. So start now, invest in one or two multi-cap focused or flexi-cap funds, and just be diligent and make sure that you are investing a little more than what you work hard to increase your allocation, because many times investors think that magic will happen. Magic happens over a period of time, but for that magic to happen you should be investing, because if you don't put in the money, what will grow? So what you can make up for the lost time is invest aggressively as much as you can from here on.
All right.